Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with a beautiful share. This is spring season in Atlanta, Georgia. I have captured few beautiful clips and pics to share with you all. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Now what you're seeing is nice scenic view of flowering trees which are very beautiful. These trees are nice, full of blossoms. This shows that it is the month of spring, that is spring season has come with blossoms, full of blossoms. All over you can see these loaded up with flowers. These trees will be everywhere in and around. I didn't have to go anywhere in search of these trees to share with you. Just in and around my location where we stay, I just go out daily for a walk and we see all these beautiful trees, and I captured it to share with all of you. These white flowers are called as the cherry blossom trees. These cherry blossom trees are either in pink color or white color, but here in Georgia you will see mostly white color, and this will be blooming in the month of March to April. Here in Georgia it blooms in the month of March itself, but in north it will be blooming in the month of April. That is, if you have to see nice pink cherry blossom trees in big row, you have to go to Washington DC, where you have a cherry blossom festival also. In this video you will see how we enjoy all through when we are walking in the evening. Keep watching. This is ice cream truck which will be moving around here and there. When it sees a group of people or kids, it will stop by the side. That's how we came here to buy some ice cream. Now what you're seeing is the eastern redbud. These flowers or this tree is called as the eastern redbud. You can't miss these eastern redbuds by its bright purple pink blossom. These are very commonly planted ornamental plant throughout Georgia, as it is the native plant for here. This daily happens. Whenever we cross this tree, we will try to climb this tree. Don't know when we are going to succeed. Daily we will be trying it. See, again we have come back for trying it once again. We will be keep trying until we succeed. As the spring starts, everywhere people will plant new flowering trees in front of their houses or business area, or even in front of the office area. Anywhere you go, even in shopping malls or small shopping plaza, you will see all these type of beautiful flowers. These are all nice golden daffodils. You can see it is just by the side of the signal. Everywhere flowers will be planted just in the month of spring. This spring season, everywhere you will see flowers, either in trees or even in the ground, everywhere. Mostly everywhere you will see these tulip flowers a lot. Usually I will see more lot of flowers in front of every office area or any residential communities, but this time I saw it very less and I was not able to capture more for all of you. Now what we are seeing is a very old European county style full street it is. It's a very busy business area where you will have nice clothing shop, you will have ice cream shop and also some dental offices. Like that, it is a very busy location. Now we are seeing our community library. Even library is fully loaded with flowers. You can see them. These flowers are nice bright white. They are in their peak. Now you will see all flowers are white or nice purple. When those purple become either faded or little black or dark color, they are going to shed. Even these white flowers, when they turn to pink, that means it is going to fall. That's it, they are going to shed down. You can see nice white it will be. In the beginning they will be, this is the beginning, light greenish white it will be. When it is full in its form, it will be white, pure white, and when it is going to fall, they will turn into light pink. And these flowers also, you can see pink has become little bit light color. They are not deep pink. When they are falling, they will lose its color. The same way these yellow flowers all are by the side of the road. You can see yellow, pink, red. Overall, all over you will see nice blooming flowers everywhere here and there. As beautiful these flowers are, there is a big danger behind this also. You always have to be very careful with the pollen allergy. These all flowers will be just having pollen which is getting dusted and mixed with air. Just the air quality itself will have the pollen, which is very, very bad. You will have runny nose, runny eyes, like that. Many issues you get with this pollen allergy. You have to be very careful. Now we have come to kids elementary school. My younger one's school it is. These all I captured when I come to drop them at school. Now you can see all these flowers started to fall. See, everything started to shed all their flowering petals. It was raining all through the night and even in the morning. Because of that rain also, all the flowers started to shed. Now you can see just in 2 to 3 days all the flowers will be fallen and new green leaves will be starting to come. That's it. When those leaves start to come, you have to get ready for the summer. Just when I went to the school, it was very, very quiet and serene atmosphere where you have lot of flowering trees also. I just took a clip to share with you all. Hope you all like it. See, now you can see these flowers have changed into pink color. That means they are going to fall. Just if you shake, they will just shed all their petals. See, this is what it is. Now the spring season is going back. Hope you all enjoyed this video, which was very beautiful also. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.